Stuck when it comes to installing Xtheme? Watch this video for step-by-step instructions. For the best blog tech advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Monday. If you're paralysed when it comes to installing your new WordPress theme, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to install Xtheme on your WordPress blog. I've done this on dozens of client sites and now it's your turn. This is the Themeco dashboard where you can see the link to download Xtheme. So we're going to click to download and you can see down here that it's downloading x.zip. Now that's downloaded. I'm going to go to my site and click Appearances, Themes. I'm going to add a new theme. And I'm going to upload theme and choose the file. And you can see there it is, x.zip, ready for me to upload to my blog. So click open and you'll see it's recognised that I've chosen x.zip and I'm going to click install now. And you can see that Xtheme has now installed successfully. So I'm now going to click return to the themes page because that's not where it ends. Comment below with your favourite Xtheme stack. X is a theme that's updated quite regularly and it's really good practice to install a child theme. So I'm going to go back to the Themeco website and down here click child themes and then here I'm going to click download child theme and you can see it's downloaded as before. It didn't take quite as long this time because a child theme is nowhere near as big a theme as the parent theme, because a child theme gets most of its functionality from the parent. At the least, all a child theme needs is 2 files. If you want to know more about child themes, check out my blog post on everything you need to know about WordPress child themes. You'll find the link below. So now we've downloaded the child theme, we need to now go and install that in your WordPress dashboard in the same way that we installed the main Xtheme. So I'm going to click on this tab over here. I'm going to click add new, upload theme again. And this time I'm going to choose x-child.zip. Open that and click install now. And there we go, the theme has been installed successfully and now I want to activate it. And now we've been taken to the Xtheme dashboard. The last thing we need to do is add the license key. So I'm going to go back to Themeco, click account and licenses. As you can see, I've got a few Xtheme licenses because, as you all know, I'm a big fan. I've inserted the URL for this site just here. So I'm going to use the same license key as I used for my main site, which is one of the really good things about Xtheme, is that it uses the same license on both production and a staging environment. So I'm going to copy this license key, go back to my dashboard, paste that code and hit enter. And you can see my site has now been validated. That's all there is to installing Xtheme on your WordPress blog. So you've installed Xtheme, but now what? Check out my introduction to Xtheme. You'll find the link below. If you need help to get your blog loading faster, check out my totally free 5-day email challenge, where you'll get an email jam-packed full of useful info every day to help get your blog loading faster. You'll find the link below. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe and share it with your fellow bloggers. And comment below with helpful if this video helped you.